Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro unboxing zone. We'll have that coming right up. Well, that great day has finally arrived for me. My DJI Mavic 2 Pro has arrived. Most of you, if you're like me, you were constantly checking your tracking status either on your smartphone or your laptop. And sometimes you may have even fallen asleep while checking your tracking status. So we did an original here. This is a first. So BillTheDroneReviewer, in association with BillTheDroneReviewer Production, presents the Drone Unboxing Zone. And I do want to warn you, a caution, proceed at your own risk. So without further ado, I present the Drone Unboxing Zone, an original from BillTheDroneReviewer.
You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. Your next stop.
Imagine, if you will, a drone YouTube content creator getting ready to do another unboxing video. He falls asleep at his laptop and has a dream. Or is it a reality? Your next stop, the Drone Unboxing Zone. I'm so tired. I just gotta rest here a little bit. Oh, what's that? Maybe it's here. Let's go take a look and see. I don't know. I'm really hopeful this is it. And there's something that has a FedEx Spark label on it. He's long gone. Okay. FedEx label. Maybe this is boxes. I don't know. It's just weird. But it's FedEx, has the tracking number on it, it has a date on it. Let's take a look and see here. Get my handy butter knife so I don't slice my digits here. Let's get this open. Wait a second. Wait a second. Helicopter? A helicopter? This is the official unboxing video of a helicopter? And the remote control for the helicopter? I'm just confused. I think FedEx probably just dropped this off at the wrong address because it just doesn't make any sense. Maybe it's finally here. Thank you. Oh man, I've just been on tins and freaking needles. There's a box there. So maybe this is it. And the FedEx guy is long gone. Okay. Alright. It's kind of small. I don't know. Looks right. Let's open it up here. And hopefully this is the unboxing video for the Mavic 2 Pro. Let's take my trusty butter knife so I don't slice my digits open here. And what do we have here? Okay. This is the eSheen E58 toy drone, which is a Mavic clone lookalike. You know what? I bet FedEx dropped it off at the wrong house. Let me go to our neighbors and take a look. I'm sure that's what it is. That's what, definitely, that's what this has to be. Hey, let's take a look here and see our neighbors. Wait a minute. This is our house. There's DOG in there. I don't understand. I walked over to my neighbors. Let me go do this again. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, I know I went to our neighbors here. I know I went to our neighbors, and there's DOG again. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. I don't know what's going on. Where's my drone? Where's my drone? Oh, where's my drone? Oh, I guess FedEx is here. Oh, man. Wow. Yep, there he is. Hi, how are you? Okay. Yeah, I'll sign for it. God, I think this is it. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and start shooting. Maybe on the count of 3 here.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, drone technology fans, Bill here. Well, guess what? I think it's finally here. The Mavic 2 Pro in all its glory. And let's get a trusty old butter knife because I don't like using box cutters. I value my digits here. So, of course, it is wonderfully sealed up. Got that. Let's get this here. Yeah, I know you guys probably like box cutters better, but I like my digits even better than box cutters here. So, all right, let's go ahead here and get this styrofoam out of the way. It's nice that they put styrofoam in here. And here's the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. Smile for the camera, Bill. All right, now let's get Her Majesty out here. And here's Her Majesty in all her glory, the Mavic 2 Pro. Smile for the camera, Bill. All right. Ready to do the unboxing. They are here. I can't believe this. This is crazy. So let's go ahead and we're going to open up the Fly More kit here first. And DJI put some wonderful plastic around to keep things sealed and nice and tight, which is great. And this is a wonderful thing they did with the Fly More kit this year. I really like that. I think that was a real winner for DJI. You don't have to get it immediately, which is fantastic. So let's go ahead and get this open. And looks like everything is going to come in a wonderful bag. This is absolutely great bag. It's big, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is bigger than the bag that came with the original Mavic Pro. That's fantastic. So let's go ahead and get this opened up here, because I'm sure all the goodies are in here. Extra battery number 1 and extra battery number 2. Fantastic. So let's go ahead and get this open here. Get my handy dandy butter knife. This is a strap to the bag. And this is the charging brick right here. It's going to unfold. Multiple charger here. That's great. Let's go ahead and score this as well. And this is, I believe, the car charger. And this is, kudos to DJI for coming up with this again. That's absolutely, positively fantastic. And I know we got props in here somewhere, so let's go ahead and see about finding those. I guess it's probably in the front pocket here. And here we go. Extra propellers. So there we are with the Fly More combo part of it. Lots of goodies on the ground here. Now let's get to this bad boy. Again, I think that's great. DJI has wrapped these things up fantastic. They do a great job with that. Aha. Open where it says open, Bill. How about that? I should read instructions like my wife tells me to. Let's go ahead and get this out. And we got that open. All right. Here we go, folks. Here is the Mavic 2 Pro. And it feels very solid. It weighs more than the original Mavic Pro. I can tell you that. All right. I'll put it back in here for now. And here is the controller. The grill that's in here, more than likely for the new OcuSync. The charging brick, which is a new charging brick, by the way. It is different than the old one. And there's cables in here, which is excellent. Get them all out and I'll hold them up. Have different sets of cables here. And then, oh, very nice. DJI also includes two other controller handle knobs, which is fantastic on here. So that's fantastic with that. So let's go ahead and get what I believe are probably the manuals in here. Let's get that out. Okay, these are the propellers that are in here. And this looks like the manuals as well. Yep, here are all the manuals for the Mavic 2 Pro. Now, I did include a link in descriptions for all the manuals, PDFs of them. These are all obviously shortened versions here, so they can go ahead and put them in here. So there you have it. There is the unboxing of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I hope you enjoyed this most different take on a drone unboxing video. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying!